A321 taking off in this holding pattern. Well, that was loud. Especially for an A321. I mean, I know they're not the quietest, but they're not the loudest either. 737. It's a MAX too. There it goes at departure. I don't know if that's only 26 or 27. I think it's the 27s. There goes a CRJ 700 once again. Full blast, like Jeff said. Remember Jeff? A330, 777 duo? No, sorry, 767. And A330. Captured a few of these yesterday. That's a nice big one right there. Going up directly overhead this time. But last time they were not direct. This time they are. 767 over here. Get a little bit of screen time for himself. Full blast once again. Still nice, although they're not as low. Still nice captures. CRJ 200. Can't even get a 700. It's a 200 this time. Gonna get a little closer to the trees. Soon. 200. Right overhead once again, but not as loud on the full blast as the A330. 717 departing on the north side. This one is a CRJ 200. Definitely not even as big as that, but not enough. Almost lost it there. Once again, didn't completely juke it though. So it's fine. I mean, yeah, it's fine. Oh, look at what we have here. Is this a goose? Is this a goose or what? 737 MAX departing now. That did not take long at all. I still see the CRJ 200 actually. Just gonna have to make a left turn or something. There it goes. There goes the bank. Well, not too much. Bank enough. Bank it is. Wells Fargo is a bank. Now there's 3 of them. Three geese now. All at once in this little group we have here. Oh, God almighty, I am all too close to these geese. But honestly, I don't care unless they start attacking. Which I don't have bread, so they won't attack. They shouldn't, at least. I think this is A320. Yes, it is. Spirit, too. Nice yellow. Nice yellow right there. The lens and the nearly covered up by my hand. A320 directly over our heads. And Spirit at that. Off to God knows where. Off to God knows where. Might be an A321. Nope, 737. I was gonna say another 737, but for some reason I decided to change it. There. That could possibly still see him on the side. Scratched up the bottom a little bit, but alright. Up CRJ, first north side departure I've seen in a little bit. Probably because I haven't been looking. I've been looking at these. I've been looking at these good ones. I don't know what this puny thing is, ERJ. Well, that was a little disappointing right there. But it is what it is. You get what you get, you don't pitch a fit. I'm gonna pitch a fit though, because no, that's fine. Full blast. I feel like an MD-80 making all this noise after it's already gone. But yippity-yoo, we got an ERJ. I certainly don't know what any of this is. Oh, CRJ. Departing off the north side. I thought it was departing off the south. Where we are. On the south deck. That's on the north. But, whatever. Jet. Low jet. Oh, crap. 737 again! How many of these are we gonna see? No Delta Belly this time, but still a 737. And we're gonna lose it behind the trees in 3, 2, done.
See?
What's this, Boogly? A320? 757. Oh, 200 again. It's got a Delta Belly though, so that gives it 100 once again. As my rule states. Delta Belly, automatic 100. No Delta Belly and some I don't like, 0. Or like 50. And done. Behind the trees. You can still see it kinda, but I don't care about that. I think there's another A320 maybe? Sounds like it. 737. Southwest this time though. It's been a while since I've seen a Southwest 737. Never thought I'd say that in my life. Instead, departing directly, not quite directly overhead. Once again. And we have a good little A321 on the north side. But we care about this Max over here. Not that. It's fine too. And there goes the rumbling of the ground from our low-down jets. I think I hear another one. I came over here to see if I could get a better view. Quite possibly not. I think this is North Deck departure though. Yeah. 752. Yeah, and I want to see if I can see them coming out from over there though. See if they're actually taking off from, you know, a point. There it is. No, that's north side, sorry. It does. A320 Delta. See if it has a Delta Belly. I don't think so though. No Delta Belly, I can already tell. There goes that weird sound again. Shut up, cars, I want to hear it. I want to hear this funked up sound the A320s make. Around and over. Still can't get a good side view that Jeff wants, so we can stay back there. Once again, it's Sunoco. Fueling victories, fueling jets. Except no, do not put Sunoco in a jet. That's gonna destroy it. But what a final capture this next jet's gonna be. This next jet is gonna be our final capture, so enjoy this while it lasts. Oh yes, it's a 7.5. 7.52 though, so nothing to get too worked up, nothing to get too celebratory about. It's a stanky little 7.52, but Delta Belly, yes! 100 for Delta Belly. Nice engine sound. And let her go. Let it go. Not yet, no. Just give it a second. There goes the boom. There it goes. That's what I like to call that when a jet's gone. It starts rumbling and fumbling the ground and the sky alike. And nice one. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.